Hello, welcome. Question number 6, BECE 2025. Amma has 4 1 CD notes and orders an ice cream for 1 CD 75 pesos and 2 toffees at 50 Ghana pesos each. How much does she have left? So total amount, let's just pick it that way. Total amount is going to be 4 Ghana cedis, 4 Ghana cedi note, give you a total of 4 Ghana cedis. Then the amount spent, remember, he spent 1 CD 75 pesos on an ice cream, meaning 1 ice cream. Then 2 toffees, meaning 2 toffees. We can say that, what do we say? Ice cream, I want to make it in a tabular form. Ice cream is going to be 1 CD 75, then toffees is going to be 2 times 50 Ghana pesos, and that gives you 2 times 50 is 100. 100 Ghana pesos is 1 Ghana cedis, so that gives you a total of what? 1 Ghana what? Cedis. So we can say that what? Total expenditure. Expenditure simply means amount spent, right? Is going to be a total of 1 Ghana cedis 75 pesos and 1 Ghana cedis. When we add this together, this is going to give you 75. So 2 Ghana cedis 75 what? Pesos. So this is what he spent. So we can see amount left is going to be the amount that he had, 4 Ghana cedis, minus the amount spent, which is 2 Ghana cedis 75 what? Pesos. 0 minus 5 will not be that ideal, so we borrow 1 from here, remaining 3. Put it here, that becomes what? 10. But as you move away, it becomes what? 9. Then this becomes what? 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. So as we'll be having in this place 25. We are left with 3 there, right? Then 3 minus 2 give you 1. So I'll have 1 here. So the total amount that is going to be left as a change will be 1 CD 25 what? Pesos. So that when we add these 3, we add it, you get what? 4 CD. So what do we have? 1 CD 25 pesos as the correct word option. I guess these are all things that we are faced with daily when we are doing transaction, buying things from the store. We need to be accountable for this kind of subtraction. That is why we even go to school to be educated. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and bye-bye.